Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Wix, how to create a website on Wix for personalized children's products on Wix easy and quick. So first type Wix on the search. So now let's enter Wix. As we know, Wix website is a type of website that you can create easily using a platform called Wix. It helps you build your own site without needing to know much about coding. Wix offers various tools to design, add content, and customize your site, making it accessible for people who aren't tech savvy. So first, create new site. Now build with Wix editor. Now enter your business type here or your website type. Personalized, live, children's. So let's, for example, this. If you want to skip, you can skip from here. Now wait a few seconds, preparing the dashboard. Here enter your store name or your business name. Type any business name you want. So let's move on. Do you already have an online store? Now let's move on. What would you like to sell? Physical product, dropshipping products, services, digital products, and print on demand products. I'm gonna choose them all. Now let's move on. Where would you like to sell? Online store or my mobile app? Marketplaces and social media, and in person. Now continue to dashboard. Now design the site. So how would you like to design your website? If you want to let Wix create a site for you, or if you want to customize a design template. So for me, I'm gonna choose this. It's more easier. I'll wait a few seconds. So enter your information, your email, your address, and your phone. The social, if you want to add a social link. So let's continue. Pick a theme you like. So for example, this. Pick your favorite homepage design, and let's move on. Add page to your site. So now you can choose page you want to add to your website. So for example, I'm gonna choose them all. I'll wait a few seconds, preparing the homepage designs. Now your site is ready and running. Here, if you want to edit more your site, click here. So this is your homepage website. If you want to add elements, click here. So the first element here is the text. If you want to edit the size or the shape of the text, also the titles and the paragraphs. So let's move on to the next element. If you're looking for something here, if you wanna upload image or import image, if you're looking for free Wix image. So let's move on to the next element, the button element. Here the same, the buttons. If you want to edit the size or the shape of the buttons, so you can customize your button as you like and put it on your website homepage, and that's it. Now you find here the text and icon buttons, the image buttons and documents buttons, the iTunes buttons, here the payments buttons and pay buttons and the PayPal buttons, here the strip if you wanna add classic or featured, about, services, contact, welcome, testimonials, and theme. So if you want something here, just select any one you want and put it on your website, and that's it. Now let's move on to decorative. If you want to add some shapes, some themed lines or basic shapes, or rows, horizontal lines and vertical lines. So here you can customize your shapes. The vector art also here, the feature, the icons, the animals and nature, the logos and the badges and the characters. Here the video elements, the video box, the video mask and transparent video. So here we find the boxes elements, the themed boxes, the container boxes, the over boxes, and the tabs. So here you can choose any tabs you want, you can put it on your website, and that's it. Now let's move on to the gallery section. Here you can, if you're looking for some recommended galleries, if you wanna some pro galleries or guide galleries or slider galleries, or here if you wanna show more galleries, so just select any one you want and put it on your website. Now let's move on to the menus and anchor. Here the same menus, the horizontal menus, the vertical menus. Here the in-page navigation, anchor, and the in-page menus. And the last thing here is the search, the site search. Now let's move on to the contact and forms. Here you find all the forms. You can just select any form you want: order, registration, donation, application, request, feedback, and waiver, and subscribe. So select any one you want. You can add it on your website homepage. Now here also the Google Maps. You can add normal Google Maps or full width Google Maps. Here the Wix chat and the lines button. So let's move on to the video and music, the video elements and the music video, the music elements. So if you want to add something on the video, select any option here, and if you want to add something from music, select any option from here: audio players, Wix Music, SoundCloud player, Spotify player, or iTunes player, iTunes button. Now let's move on to the interactive, the slideshows, the full width slideshows, the boxes slideshows. You can customize here your slideshows, the light boxes, and here the boxes, the over boxes, and the tabs. Here the repeaters, the over repeaters. Now let's move on to the list. So the list here, the repeaters, the over repeaters, and the blank repeaters. You can add anything you want, the blank repeaters or the over repeaters. Just select any one you want. Now let's move on to the embed code. Here if you want to custom popular embeds, if you want to add some single video players, if you want to edit the audio elements or advanced elements, the marketing tools, and the Velo dev mode. Here the animation elements. So now let's move on to the social. So the social bar, if you want to add some social bars here, you can also add the Facebook bar or Twitter, Pinterest, VK, or Line, or also here music and video. You can add YouTube bar here. So now let's move on to the payments, the payments buttons. You can add some payments buttons or the payments forms, the pricing plans, and the store here if you wanna manage your store elements. Now let's move on to the CMS. Here if you wanna easily manage your site contents, if you wanna easily manage the blog, if you wanna start a blog. So let's move on now to the store. Also here you can edit your store elements, the bookings elements, and the related elements, and the pricing plans. Now let's move on to the events. You can create and manage events. So here you can add to site, or if you want to find out more, here the community, and the last thing is your designs. You can design elements and reach them on any of your Wix sites. So that's it. Now if you want to add some sections, click here, select any section you want from here, and push it on your website. If you want to add some pages and menu, click here. Here you can select any page and menu you want. If you want to design your site, you can customize your site design. You can edit the color theme or the text theme, the page background, or the page transitions. So here if you want to add some apps, here if you want to manage business, here the media, if you want to upload your media, if you want to edit some images and videos, if you're looking for free Wix image or free Wix videos, here the CMS if you want to easily manage your site content. And the last thing here is marketing and SEO, the Google ads and the Facebook ads, the SEO and social media marketing, and the marketing integrations. So that's it. So now after you're done from this, you can design the website homepage from here. If you want to move some sections, you can move it down or move it up. You can do a quick edit. You can also explore section layout. And here if you wanna find out more actions, duplicate the section or delete the section. So that's it for today. Now after you're done from this the designing, you can just click here publish, and you're gonna publish your website easy and quick. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.